Main interface. Open Palletizer setting. Password is lowercase m. Come to the line to set each parameter setting. Grab delay time refers to the time to open the section stay after the end reaches the object surface. Grab front point height compensation, the height above the object based on the axis before the end reaches the object surface. Grab backpoint height compensation, the height of the endpoint after gripping the object based on the z-axis lifting height. Placement delay time, the time after the end reaches the placement point. Turn off the suction and turn on the blowing to stay. Front and rear compensation at left entry point, the displacement of the entry point in the x direction based on the position of the gripping point. Left and right compensation at left entry point, displacement of the entry point in the y direction based on the position of the gripping point. Left entry point height compensation below box, when the position of the gripping point is higher than the placing point, it is below the box, and then the displacement of the placing point in the z-axis. Left entry point height compensation above box, when the position of the gripping point is lower than the placing point, it is above the box, and then the displacement of the placing point in the z-axis. Left side placement point height compensation, displacement of the placement point on the z-axis. The right placement point is the same as the left placement point. Confirm that the parameters are correct. Click Save. Return to the main interface.